Good morning students, this is Mohan Rao, PGT Mathematics. Welcome to Boyan Study Circle. Today we are discussing third session of trigonometry. In that, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So, about complementary angles. What is complementary angle? Complementary angle means the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Then those two angles are complementary to each other. The two angles are complementary to each other. See here, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Then A comma B are complementary to each other. So, if the two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then A and B are, these two are complementary angles to each other. Okay. Suppose take a right angle triangle. So, this is a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, here 90 degrees. Okay. So, here one angle is 90. What about the sum of other two angles? Angle A plus angle C, how much it is equal to? We know the sum of three interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. We know angle B equal to 90 degrees. So, A plus B is 90 degrees plus C equal to 180 degrees. So, this 90 goes other side, that becomes minus. So, A plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degrees. So, A plus C is equal to 90. So, sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So, here A and C are both are complementary to each other. These two angles are complementary to each other. Suppose if we take angle C is some theta. Okay. If the theta is C, angle C is theta. So, what is the angle of A? Let us see. If we take here C is theta, okay, A plus theta equal to 90 degrees, A equal to, this theta goes other side, that becomes minus 90 degrees minus theta. So, angle A is equal to here 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. So, here we know all the angles. Angle A is equal to 90 minus theta, angle B is equal to 90 and angle C equal to theta degrees. Okay. In this right angle triangle, for angle A, basing on angle A, here the angle is 90 minus theta. So, every time we know the side opposite to 90 degrees, side AC is opposite to 90 degrees. So, this AC is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse side. For angle A, opposite to A is, that is opposite side. Opposite side. Okay. So, other side is automatically adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay. In this, we are finding all the trigonometric ratios for an angle A. Okay. So, first of all, see sine of 90 minus theta. Here angle A is 90 minus theta. What is the ratio of sine? So, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. So, that is equal to, what is opposite side here? BC. BC is the opposite side. BC by, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. So, next cos. Cos of 90 minus theta, that is equal to, what is the ratio? That is adjacent side by hypotenuse side. That is equal to, what is adjacent side? AB. AB is the adjacent side. So, AB by hypotenuse is AC. So this is the hypotenuse side. Next, okay, now tan of 90 minus theta, so that is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So that is, what is opposite side? BC. BC by adjacent side is AB. So now cosecant 90 minus theta. So cosecant is reciprocal to sine. So that is hypotenuse by opposite side. So that is equal to AC by BC. Okay, next one, secant 90 minus theta. So that is, secant is reciprocal to cos. So that is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So that is equal to AC by AB. So next one is cot of 90 minus theta. So that is equal to, cot is reciprocal to tan. So that is adjacent by opposite side. So that is equal to AB by BC. Okay. Theta. So now we are going to find the ratios for this theta. Okay. See, once again I am going to draw the right angle triangle here. So this is A, B, C, right angle at B, that is 90 degrees, A angle is, that is 90 minus theta. So here C angle is theta. So now we are going to find the ratios for C. So every time opposite side to 90 degrees, that is hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. Okay. So basing on C, so opposite to theta, that is opposite side. Okay. So next remaining is adjacent side. Okay. So now we are going to find all the ratios once again. Okay. Sine ratio, sine theta. So that is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equal to, what is opposite? Opposite side is AB. AB by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Next ratio is cos theta. So that is equal to, cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that is equal to, what is adjacent side? That is BC. BC by hypotenuse side is AC. So BC by AC. Next ratio is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. What is opposite side? That is AB. So AB by adjacent side is BC. Okay. Next ratio is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Cosecant is reciprocal to sine. So that is hypotenuse by opposite side. That is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. So next ratio is secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal to cos theta. So this reciprocal is hypotenuse by adjacent side. So that is equal to reciprocal to cos, that is AC by BC. Okay. The final one, cot theta is equal to reciprocal to tan theta, that is adjacent side by opposite side. So that is equal to BC by AB. Okay. We are find out for angle A and for angle C. So compare these two. Compare these ratios and these ratios. So first one, see, sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to BC by AC. Check in this ratios, where is BC by AC? Here, BC by AC, that is equal to cos theta. Okay. See here, sin 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC, and also cos theta equal to BC by AC. Therefore, sin of 90 minus theta, that is equal to Sin 90 minus theta is BC by AC. Here also BC by AC. So that is equal to cos theta. So therefore sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So check the next ratio. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. Check here, where is AB by AC? Here AB by AC. So that is equal to sin theta. Therefore cos 90 minus theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta equal to here sin theta. Sin is equal to AB by AC, sin theta. So next one, see tan 90 minus theta, that is equal to BC by AC. See here, where is BC by AC? So last one, BC by AC. Okay. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Check here, BC by AB, that is equal to cot theta. Therefore tan 90 minus theta is equal to, that is cot theta. Cot theta. So next one, cosecant 90 minus theta, that is AC by BC. Where it is AC by BC? Here, that is equal to secant theta. Therefore cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So next one, secant 90 minus theta, that is equal to AC by AB. So that is AC by AB equal to cosecant theta. Therefore secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Next one, the final one, cot 90 minus theta, that is AB by BC. So that is equal to AB by BC. So tan theta. Therefore cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So these 6 are the complementary angles. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. In the same way, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. By using these 6 complementary angles, we are going to solve the problems. Exercise 11.3, first problem, 5 bits are there. In that we are going to solve 3 bits. Okay, in that first one, that is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. See here, 36 plus 54, these two are equal to 90 degrees. So these two are complementary angles. So we are going to change any one of these two, either numerator or denominator. So I am going to change numerator. So tan 36 I am going to write tan of 90 minus 54 degrees. 90 minus 54, that is equal to 36 by cot 54 degrees. Okay, we know the formulas about complementary angles. Tan of 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. So in the place of theta, that is 54 degrees. Therefore here cot of 54 degrees by cot of 54 degrees, since tan of 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. Okay, so numerator cot 54 degrees by denominator cot 54, these two gets cancelled, so we get 1. So tan 36 by cot 54, that value is equal to 1. Okay, see the next one, that is cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59. See here, 31 plus 59, that is also equal to 90 degrees. These two are also complementary angles. So we are going to change the first one. So that is equal to cosecant of 31, I am going to write 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59 is equal to 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Okay, cosecant of 90 minus 59, that is secant 59. Secant 59 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Since cosecant of 90 minus theta, that is equal to secant theta. So secant 59 minus secant 59, so that is equal to 0. Cosecant 31 minus secant 59, that is equal to 0. See the next one, that is fifth one, tan 26 into tan 64 degrees. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64. So add these two, 64 plus 26, that is also equal to 90 degrees. So these two also complementary angles. So we are going to change the first one. So that is equal to tan of, I am going to write 26 just like 90 minus 64 degrees. If we can subtract these two, we will get easily 26. So that into tan 64 degrees. Tan 90 minus theta we know, cot theta. So in the place of theta 64 is there. So that is equal to cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. We are going to write cot 64 is equal to 1 by tan 64. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by tan 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees, since cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, so here tan 64 gets cancelled, we get 1. So tan 26 into tan 64, that is equal to 1. Okay, exercise 11.3, second problem. In that first one, show that tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74, that is equal to 1. We are going to prove that this value is equal to 1. So now I am going to take this LHS value, I am going to prove RHS value. Okay, so first take tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So if we can solve this one, we will get easily 1. Okay. So see, here we are going to write the pairs of complementary angles at one place. So here 48 degrees plus 42, that is equal to 90 degrees. So we have to pair these two values. Okay. So tan of 48 degrees into tan of 42 degrees. Okay, this is one pair. Okay, next see, tan 16 degrees plus 74, that is also equal to 90 degrees. So we have to pair these two. Okay, so into tan of 16 into tan of 74 degrees. Okay, so in these two we have to change only one value. If we can change both, then we will get the same value. We will not get the answer. So first I am going to change tan 48. Okay, tan of, I am going to write 48 as 90 minus 42 degrees. We can subtract these two, we will get 48. So that is into tan 42 degrees. Okay, here we are going to change 16 degrees. Okay, tan of 90 minus 74 degrees. If we subtract these two, 90 minus 74, that is equal to 16 into tan 74 degrees. Okay. So tan of 90 minus 40, and that means tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here in place of theta, 42 degrees is there. So cot of 42 degrees into tan of 42 degrees, that is into tan of 90 minus theta, that is cot theta. In place of theta, 74 degrees is there. So cot of 74 degrees into tan of 74 degrees. Okay, cot 42 we can write just like that, 1 by tan 42. Cot 42 is equal to 1 by tan 42 into tan 42 degrees into, here also same, cot 74, we write 1 by tan 74 degrees into tan 74 degrees. See here, tan 42 and tan 42 gets cancelled. Here also same. We will get here 1 into here 1. So 1 into 1, that is equal to, we will prove that RHS is equal to, this is equal to RHS. So LHS, this value is equal to RHS 1. Okay, hence proved. Okay. Third problem in exercise 11.3, tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a. So here 2a is acute angle means the angle less than 90 degrees. So first write what is given. Given that tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. Okay. So we know the complementary angle formulas. Tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a, we are going to write. Okay. So this we are writing cot of 90 minus 2a, that is equal to cot of a minus 18 degrees. Since cot of 90 minus theta, that is equal to tan theta. So here in place of tan theta we have tan 2a. So we are writing just like cot of 90 minus 2a, cot of 90 minus 2a. So 90 minus 2a and a minus 18, these two are complementary angles. So we are going to equate these two angles. So 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18 degrees. If this minus 2a goes to other side, that becomes plus. So minus 2a becomes plus. So 2a plus a, that is equal to, this minus 18 degrees comes other side, that becomes plus. So 90 plus 18 degrees. So 2a plus a, that is 3a. 3a equal to 90 plus 18, 108 degrees. Here 3 multiplies with a, so this 3 goes other side, that becomes division. So a equal to 108 by 3. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, and here 1 is there, 1 and 8, 18. 3 6 are. So a is equal to 36 degrees. Okay. A value is, that is 36 degrees. See here 2a, 2 into 36, that is 72, that is acute angle less than 90. Okay. Okay, fourth problem of exercise 11.3. So that is, if tan A equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. See here, A and B are acute angles. These two angles are less than 90 degrees. So these two angles are called acute angles. So what is given? Given that tan A is equal to cot B. Okay. We have to change this tan A. We know the complementary angle formulas. Cot 90 minus A equal to tan A. So in place of tan A, I am going to write cot of 90 minus A. So that is equal to cot B. Since cot 90 minus theta, that is equal to tan theta. So tan theta, that is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So tan A, in place of theta, A is there. So tan A, that is equal to cot of 90 minus A. In place of tan A, I am written cot 90 minus A. See, both sides 90 minus A and B, these two are complementary angles. So we have to equate these two values. So 90 minus A equal to B. This minus A goes other side, that becomes plus. So A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. This is we have to prove here. A plus B is 90 degrees. Okay. Fifth problem of exercise 11.3. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. So first of all, write what is given. Given that A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. So the sum of interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180. We know that one. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Divide both sides by 2. So that becomes A plus B plus C by 2, that is equal to 180 by 2. So here we are going to separate A plus B by 2 and C by 2. So A plus B by 2 plus C by 2, that is equal to, here 180 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 9s are, and 0 is there. So that is equal to 90 degrees. Plus C by 2 goes other side, that becomes minus C by 2. So A plus B by 2, that is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Okay. Here we are applying tan on both sides. For these two we are applying tan. So tan of A plus B by 2, that is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. So that is implies tan of A plus B by 2. So here see, tan 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. In place of theta, C by 2 is there. So this becomes cot C by 2. Since tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, we are using this formula. So tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. So what we have to show that is only tan A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Okay. Sixth problem of exercise 11.3, that is express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. So here see, here 75 degrees is there and 65 is there. So we are converting these two angles in between 0 and 45 degrees. So what is given? First write. Given that sin of 75 degrees plus cos of 65 degrees. So that is equal to sin 75, I am going to write sin of 90 minus 15 degrees. So 90 minus 15, that is equal to 75 degrees plus cos of 65, how can I write? 90 minus 25 degrees. If we can subtract these two, we will get 65 degrees. Okay. Sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. So in place of theta, 15 degrees is there. So that is equal to cos of 15 degrees plus cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. So in place of theta, 25 degrees is there. So sin of 25 degrees. Since we know the formulas complementary, sin of 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin theta. Okay. So see here these two angles, this is 15 degrees, this is 25 degrees. These two angles are between 0 and 45. Okay.